In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful telephoto effect inside After Effects. So this is really easy to make. Let's get started. First, let's create the new composition. This is my composition settings, the width and the height, and I'm going to set it for the 10-second and make sure the frame rate is 59 FPS. So 10-second is perfect for me. So make it 10 seconds, click OK, and there we go. Our composition is ready. Now we need to drag our clips. So let's go to the clips, and this is my main clip where the subject is actually talking, and let me adjust it a little bit, scale up. First, let me cut down this clip quickly where she's starting the dialogue, and let me cut down at the end where she ends the dialogue. Now it's time to add our disappear footage. This is the footage of the background, like the back view. It's actually the same spot. So we need to adjust. We need to adjust this where she actually stopped talking, and then we need to disappear her, and then we need to continue with our disappear clip. So as you can see, these are the chairs. I need to align it with the perfect timing. So I need to cut it down and the perfect timing. First, let's cut down the lady clip where she stopped talking. This is where I use my effect, and let me decrease the opacity so I can adjust this clip. As you can see, this is let me adjust this. So as you can see, these are the chairs, and there we go. This is perfect. I think this is really perfect. Let me let me add the metric color, and just adjusting the exposure a little bit to match with the previous clip. As you can see, yeah, that's perfect, bro. My clips are ready, and now we need to duplicate this clip and then drag to on top. So this is our subject. We need a roto brush for this duplicate layer, and we need to select our subject. This is our lady. We need to roto brush this. So let me quickly done this and using my roto brush. So guys, as you can see, I done this with the roto brush, cut down my subject, cut down with the roto brush and freeze it, and then there we go. This is our subject. Moving forward, let's add on our main subject the Luma key, search in effect and control, and add it onto the cut it clip on the main clip where I use roto brush. And if I increase the threshold, as you can see, it's disappear. So let me add the keyframe on the starting, and at the end, I'm going to increase it the value to 250. So let me play this, and as you can see, it's disappear. So now I'm going to add another effect, which is called glow. So I added the glow, and I'm going to adjust the settings. These are my settings. You can copy me. I'm adjusting the keyframe as well, but I think my keyframe is perfect. So now let me add a shockwave. The main thing there, if you need this, you can find link in the description. You can save it, you can use it. So now just pre-composed. After adding this one, make sure to move all attribute. Let's hide this one. We need to add this plugin on our empty clip. On the disappear clip, just drag and drop on the displacement pro on the empty footage. Now we need to adjust the settings. The map layer, you need to click on the shock layer, and let me increase the value X and Y. As you can see, it's not on the perfect position. Adjust the setting a little bit. Let me show you how I can adjust my setting. The first thing is click repeat, just the value. Now click on the map adjustment and select the legacy. So once we select the legacy, double click on the shockwave layer, and we need to change the composition setting to 4K, like 1080p plus 1080p, 1920 plus 1920, and click OK. So now we need to adjust this. And now let's go back to our main. Yeah, look at that. This is perfect. We need to adjust a little bit more to match the vibe, match the composition. As you can see, yeah, this is perfect. So I can scale it up. And as you can see, this is actually the perfect. So now we need to go into the effect control of the Displacement Pro. And now we need to adjust these value. I'm going to adjust it to something like 40 or 44, and the Y is around 15. I think 10 is perfect. So yeah, 10, and then we need to add the keyframes, and at the around 5 or 6 frame, and at the end frame we need to go back to the 0. So it's make the perfect fade out effect. And as you can see, these are my keyframes. I'm just moving this. So these are the keyframe I adjusted. And as you can see, you can scale this up, or you can play with these settings as well you want. But these are my perfect setting, and you can rotate this one as well. You can play with these Displacement Pros however you want. So this is the tutorial how you can create this beautiful telephoto effect. This is mainly used in a real estate video. This is one of my clients. He need a real estate videos. So I just add this effect, and she was really happy with this. So that's how you can create this telephoto effect inside After Effects.
Day into night. Tonight. Tonight.
And it's really too easy to make actually. So if you like this video, make sure to like the video, and if you want more tutorial, click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much.